Hello, welcome to Haiwell. Today we want to introduce our air conditioning self-control system. And this system is suitable applied in EMS industry. Okay, you can check the whole process. And in user operation, we can use the RFID card or your mobile phone NFC to log in.
Welcome Netherlands has introduced the Haiwell air conditioning control system
so that we can get authorized to operate the HMI. Okay, and on the operation monitoring image, we can check the whole process of this system. And the air from the outdoor will go through our preheating valve or the hot water valve, supply fan, heating valve, and so on. And the air will go through all these devices and then to your common room or the indoor environment. Okay, and we also can set system hold, or we can set a one-click automatic setting. You can see that the supply fan is running. Okay, we also can choose a manual setting.
Touch manual.
You can see that it's stopped. And we can check each details, corresponding details. And in parameter settings, we also can set such as we can set the fresh air humidity, and set for example like 20%.
The fresh air humidity is set to 20.
And we also can check the real-time trends. And in equipment operation, we can also set the manual or automatic mode, or the startup or stop it, and so on. We can set every device. We can set the corresponding mode. Okay. That's it. If you have more information want to know, welcome to contact us.
Haiwell leading the new era of IoT.